How to fix Botim connecting problem. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your Play Store and tap on the search bar. Now search for Botim. Now tap on Botim and make sure to update to the latest version. Now go back to the home screen. Now open up your settings and tap on apps. Now go to app management and search for Botim. Now go to Botim. Now tap on force stop. Now go to storage usage and tap on clear data. Now go back. Now tap on data usage. Now make sure to disable the toggle of disable Wi-Fi and disable mobile data. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a warning question or want to search a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.